In this video, we're going to feature laundry soap nuts and how you could use them not only for your laundry, but for other cleaning tasks. Let's get started. So I had never heard of laundry soap nuts before until I was doing a live stream with Prepper Princess, who recommended them in addition to some other laundry supplies. Needless to say, I wasn't quite ready for the information during that live stream. Let's go back and look at that now. We watch Prepper Princess videos with our kids, and they have fun diluting laundry soap. Pro tip from her. That's what do you? I don't know about the laundry soap one.
Okay, so laundry soap. So liquid laundry soap is made mostly of water, and most of these companies are charging people, $10, $15 for a jug of laundry soap when it's already like 80% water. And there's on the cap, people will just fill up the cap and dump it in. Well, there's these lines on the cap that are like right here and right here. And people don't look at those lines because it's a manufacturing thing from the manufacturer. They want you to fill that cap and dump the whole thing out. But people use too much. And if you have, I think I recommended, like, if you have kids in the house, then you should dilute your laundry soap so that when they fill it all the way up, they're really just filling it to where it's supposed to be.
Nice.
If that makes any sense.
Yeah, no, that totally makes sense. We have our SHTF laundry soap where it's like the borax and some of that stuff, and then the normal like Costco kind, I guess. But
well, I had after I made that video, I had a couple of subscribers send me stuff. Like, one of them sent me these round blue balls that have little like balls in them, and they last for like 10,000 cycles or 10,000 laundry cycles. So and they gave me 2 of them. So that will last me literally the rest of my life. But then another subscriber sent me these all natural soap nuts that they're nuts that you put in this little, this is going to sound so bad. They're nuts that you put in this little sack. and then you take the sack full of nuts and you put it in your laundry. And it cleans your underwear. But I promise that's what they're called. They're laundry soap nuts. And they go in a little sack. It's on the instructions.
Hold on, I need a moment.
You don't smile enough. Oh my God.
So for this video, we're going to focus on the laundry soap nuts over the blue washer ball. I've done some testing with this and it does work really well. What I really like about the laundry soap nuts is that it seems to be a multi-use item. You could use it for a lot of different things, not only your laundry, but also as a general cleaning agent due to the properties of these little nuts. And so we're going to cover that in this particular video. So let's dive into the specifics of laundry soap nuts. So soap nuts aren't really nuts. It's a berry that's harvested from trees that grow in the Himalayas. When the berries dry, they form a hard shell that kind of looks like a nut, so that's where they got the name from. So these berries contain saponin, which is a natural surfactant or something that's anti-surface tension that happens when the shell absorbs water. Basically, saponin breaks the surface tension of the water, which helps remove all the dirt and oils and stains from your clothes. These seem to be most popular with people that have various skin conditions or sensitive skin. So they work well for baby supplies like diapers and bedding and clothes, because babies have sensitive skin. So just as Prepper Princess stated, you put a few of these in a bag and toss them in your laundry. And the instructions state to soak them in warm to hot water for a few minutes before putting them in the actual laundry. That helps it work a lot more efficiently. And you could use the same soap nuts that are stored in that little bag multiple times. I did multiple loads of laundry with them and it worked great. So a lot of people say these work best just for general laundry. So if you have really rough stains, you might not want to use the soap nuts for it because it's probably not going to get them out. But for your average laundry load, they do work great. They kind of smell like apple cider to me. After washing the clothes in the soap nuts, I use some of those blue laundry balls in the dryer, which also work really nicely. However, I think these soap nuts are the most efficient when they're in hot water. So what a lot of people do is make their own concentrate of soap nuts to use as a laundry detergent. So that's what I did too. So I did around 4 cups of water, and I put several soap nuts in there and then brought it to a boil. After bringing it to a boil, I let it simmer for about a half an hour. From there, I just added that soap nuts liquid to a bottle to use not only as a laundry detergent, but also as a general cleaning spray. Since these are chemical-free and work really well for people that have sensitive skin, a lot of people use it just for a general cleaning spray within their home. Some people even whip the concentrate into a foam and use it as shampoo. I did some testing of it as a soap or shampoo, and it seemed to work okay, but I don't think I prefer it over the normal stuff that I use. When you use the soap nuts in the washing machine, you don't get a lot of suds like you normally do with your laundry detergent. It doesn't really work that way. And it doesn't have a strong fragrance after you take it out of the washing machine. So some people add a few drops of organic essential oils that have a stronger smell. What I really liked about these is that they're so lightweight and multi-purpose. It seems like something you could even have in your bug out bag, for example. And you could use it not only for cleaning your clothes, but also as soap and shampoo. Again, it's chemical free, so it would work really well if you're out camping as well. The bag of soap nuts that I purchased also came with its own concentrate liquid bottle. Again, which I think would work really well for throwing into your bug out bag, or just to take with you when you're out on vacation. It'd be a lot lighter to carry than regular laundry detergent. And again, what's best about it is that it's completely natural and good for people that have sensitive skin. That's going to do it for this video featuring laundry soap nuts. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Again, special thanks to Prepper Princess for recommending this particular product to me. I think it's a really great option that you could have not only as a laundry detergent replacement, but also as an item that you might be able to keep in your bug out bag, for example, and use as a multi-cleaning option for cleaning clothes. You could use it as shampoo, as a general cleaning agent. It has a lot of applications of use, which I think is really cool. So I provided links in the description box below for all the items that we've covered in this particular video. Leave your comments below in the comment section and stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.